Welcome to our Ironfish 2018 Adelaide Market Update. Let's reflect on the first half of 2018 and then look at the likely trends for the second half of the year. In 2017, over 11,700 international migrants moved to South Australia. There was a natural increase of close to 5,000 and just over 6,000 left South Australia to move interstate. As a result, the state's population grew by a net figure of over 10,600 people. According to the 2018 ComSec State of the States report, economic activity in South Australia was positive. The economy recorded growth rates that were almost 17% above annual growth rates for the past decade. Over the 12 months to May, South Australia added more than 23,000 jobs. This coincided with Adelaide's unemployment rate dropping from 6.8% in May last year to only 6% in May this year. Adelaide's property market recorded some of the tightest vacancy rates in the nation, at a low 1.3% for May. Low vacancy rates are anticipated to continue, and new approvals are forecast to remain subdued. The housing market performed well, with dwelling values appreciating by 4.1% in the 12 months to March. Rents were also on the rise, increasing by $10 a week. And at 4.6%, Adelaide currently has the strongest rental yield of the 5 major capital cities. Adelaide's solid housing performance across capital and rental growth has not surprisingly attracted investor interest from the eastern states. Property analysts such as Terry Ryder recently earmarked Adelaide as a reliable performer in the near term. In terms of capital growth, apartments outperformed houses with a strong gain of 6.2% over the 12 months to March. Adelaide apartments had the second highest rental yield of all major capital city markets at 5.1%. Rental growth was also strong, improving by 5% or $15 a week. This demonstrates the growing local demand for apartment living, particularly in the inner city, which continues to be supported by government initiatives such as the Free Rates for 5 Years scheme. What to look out for in the second half of 2018? Adelaide's property market is expected to continue experiencing positive growth given its relative affordability for local and interstate buyers. With a vacancy rate of 1.3%, the rental market is expected to remain constrained, resulting in further rental growth. And Adelaide's continual drive for innovation and sustainability will be an important factor in expanding economic growth. Adelaide will be a solid performer throughout 2018 and into 2019. The additional tightening of an already low vacancy rate is a strong indicator for growth in values and rents. And the Marshall government's new stance to drive higher population growth is certainly an area to watch. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a successful second half of 2018.